Okay guys, welcome back to the scooter, which got transitioned to miles per hour. Yeah, I don't know, don't ask too much, I just stepped on it. We are actually headed towards somewhere close by. There should be a meet, like Oldtimer cars. I don't know how good you can hear me due to the wind. I guess I set up the microphone correctly, we're gonna find out. Everybody's looking at me like I'm crazy on this thing. I really don't care, do what you want to do, man. I'm having fun. Who the hell cares, bro? Yeah, it's dangerous, I know that, but I'm still trying to follow all the road laws. Whew, I hate getting water on these wheels. These wheels are slippery when wet. Shit, I should add that sticker to this thing. Slippery when wet. And now I'm fucking wet because I chose not to have fenders on this thing due to looks, and I'm starting to regret it. But I don't know where my box is for this thing, so I cannot even put them on. Oh yeah, quick update. The Audi is back from the paint shop. The Citroen does have coilovers on it, and the Lupo is still in works. I mean, for right now, the Citroen is the one I'm focusing on because there is a track day really soon, in a couple months, and I want to get that car ready for that. I'm gonna order bracing, I'm gonna order, I don't know, mostly bracing. Yeah, we already start seeing some cars. I'm just gonna shut up real quick. Okay, I guess we saw everything that we could have seen. Not something big, just a quick meetup. Nice Ferrari. And you know what? I'm gonna go the long route. Yep. This is still in miles. I like the fucking I like the Eldorado, honestly. It was nice. Ooh, I just saw an Audi. I just saw a TT. So that was fun. Had a good bit of conversation with that guy. I actually always wanted to buy a first gen Audi TT. And now I'm stuck behind more cars. One less. But yeah, I always wanted to, my dream is to have all Audi TT generations in my garage. They don't have to be RSs, they don't have to be S's, they just have to be all 3 generations. If he's not going to overtake, I am. Because I'm a fucking idiot. And that's a well-known fact at this point. Space Tourer. Oh, you look good. You look comfy. Yeah, she looks comfy. I got a comment on the last video where I featured this scooter. The guy said that he is actually scared for me on this thing, and honestly it is kind of scary. It really is. But once you get used to it, it's just like a motorcycle. Like, if you know how to drive it, you're good. Somebody else will fuck you up. You won't fuck yourself up. You know your limits. You know your limits. The only thing is, somebody else is going to fuck you up. So you need to be careful. What was I talking about? Yeah, the Citroen is going to be a everyday driving track toy, I hope. The Audi is kind of having a break, and this Lupo is going to be a air out stance car, and I'm thinking of a few teams to build it. Not really sure yet. One of my favorite teams that I came up with so far is a support vehicle, like mechanical support vehicle, because that would be really fun to build. Like, just all the tools you might ever need in the back, with speakers to listen to music while you work, air suspension to look good, a body kit to look good, and everything to, well, look good, have all the tools to work, and have speakers to listen to music. That would be fun. I'm not in a rush. I'm thinking of actually getting a Ford car, so I'm really not in a rush for anything. The Citroen is a little bit of a rushy build right now because we have until September. Oh, yeah, September. We have until September to set it up to race. And right now it's the end of April, beginning of May, so it's actually the 1st of May right now, today. So yeah, we have 4 months to get that car race ready.